most important question of binomial. Let us see the question. Question is, if in the expansion of 1 plus x power 20, the coefficient of rth term and r plus fourth term are equal, then r is equal to what? So you know the general term formula is what? Tr plus 1 equal to NCR a power n minus r br, where a is the first term, b is the second term. Here we need rth term. So rth term is what? That is Tr equal to, we can write r minus 1 plus 1. So r will be what? R minus 1. So here formula n is 20. So 20 Cr minus 1. Because first term is 1. So 1 power anything is 1. And second term is x. So we need coefficient. So no need to write x here. Now in the same way we are finding Tr plus 4. So we can write T r plus 3 plus 1. So here r is what? R plus 3. So we can write 20c r plus 3. Right? Now it is given coefficient of rth and r plus 4 terms are equal. That means 20c r minus 1 equal to 20c r plus 3. Now you know formula ncx equal to ncy, then x plus y equal to what? N. So we can write here r minus 1 plus r plus 3 equal to 20. So this is what? 2r. And here 3 minus 1, 2. So it is 20 minus 2. That is what? 18. So r equal to what? 9. So our correct answer is 9. Let us see the question. Question is, the term without x in the expansion of this is what? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you find general term. And then just equate the coefficient of x equal to what? 0. You will get your right answer. So here we are finding general terms. So you know the formula Tr plus 1 is what? NCR a n minus r br. So here n is what? 12. And r is r. So 12cr. A is what? 2x. So 2x to the power n minus r. That is 12 minus r. And b is what? Minus 1 upon 2x square to the power r. Now we can write this. This is 12cr and 2 to the power 12 minus r, right? And into minus 1 by 2. So you can write minus 1 by 2 to the power r. And into x to the power what? This is what? Minus 2r, right? Now we can write this is a 12cr and into 2 to the power 12 minus r into minus half to the power r. And here x to the power what? 12 minus r. So here x power minus 2r and here x power 12 minus r. So we can write what? Plus 12 minus r. So this is plus 12 minus r. Now this is the x to the power what? Minus 2r. This is minus 2r minus r. So this is what? Minus 3r plus 12. Now without x. So just coefficient of x equal to 0. So you will get minus 3r minus 3r plus 12 equal to what? 0. So r equal to what? That is 4. So we need the term. So number of terms equal to what? R plus 1. That is 4 plus 1. So correct answer is what? Fifth term is our right answer.